crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I am super psyched, super excited to finally be able to figure out the new software, get things put together, and ready to share some pictures and some memories with you from our inaugural New Year's Eve retreat that we just completed about a week ago. I mean, it's hard to believe we're already through the first week of January and headed into the middle of January. It's like, guys, where is the year going? But we were so blessed, so fortunate to be able to host and put on our first retreat. We did it over at the Arizona Elite Retreat Center. I don't think things could have gone much better. We learned so much by being able to go through and do our first retreat together. Yes, we're going to make some changes for the next retreats coming up. Always check our website, guyscraft2.com, and you'll be able to see what we have scheduled, what we have planned. But I wanted to share with you just some of the memories that we made from our first retreat. So, without further ado, here is some memories to share. So that's just a look into the retreat center, into the fantastic time that we had. We made so many new friends. Some already followed the channel, new subscribers now to the channel. It was just such an awesome time, and we were so blessed to be able to provide that and just have that experience. That said, at the end, you saw some of the quilts and that the ladies worked on while we were there. We did provide 3 projects. One was a table runner by Villa Rosa. The second was a 3-yard quilt, and we provided the books and kits for them to do that. And then we also presented the new Raleigh Blake wall hanging that just came out for Valentine's Day, and so you saw that picture as well. A lot of folks brought their own quilts and own things to work on. That was awesome. Some took our projects back home, some finished them there, but just wanted to give you a little look into what the retreat looked like. We, again, had such a great time. We will definitely be doing New Year's Eve for several years. The retreat center that we currently use will allow us to host 12 individuals, so we hope to be able to start selling out and maxing out that number, but we'll see. But we appreciate the support of each and every one of you. All those things that you do to support myself, my partner, and this channel, it means a lot to us, and we appreciate that. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for taking a look at our inaugural retreat and some of the fun memories that we were able to share. And as always, until next time, happy crafting!